The weather was perfect, so after doing some chores, we decided to cook breakfast outside. We're having bacon, smashed potatoes, scrambled eggs, and some fruit and berries. I've seasoned the potatoes with turmeric, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Put some salt and pepper in the eggs. And you don't need anything on bacon because bacon is perfect right by itself. I love bacon.
Arranged nicely on.
This rocket stove is so efficient that you just need about 2 handfuls of sticks to make it plenty hot to cook the whole breakfast. That way, you don't need to cut down any trees or anything. You can just pick up sticks off the ground. It's also extremely efficient in burning those sticks, so there's almost no ash left over, and there's no smoke if you have enough airflow. Now, if you use a pot that's too large, then you're going to cut off the air supply from the top, and you're going to get a lot of smoke. So then you just switch it down to a smaller pot, and you won't have that smoke problem. See all that smoke coming out right there? See, when I take it off, the smoke goes away.
I thought it was that the fire wasn't hot enough, and I realized it wasn't hot. It's going to be a quick time.
So now we're going to switch it out for a different pot, and we're not going to have that same smoke problem. See? Plenty of airflow now.
Well, see.
The hubby brought me a bagel, but it was too much food for me, so I put it aside, and that was a good thing because our son showed up and brought out a chair, and he was able to eat the leftovers. Apparently, we cooked too much food for 2 people. I know it's unusual to see vegetables on a breakfast table, but that's what my nutritionist recommended. So we've been eating vegetables with breakfast for about 3 years now. Now, I'm not sure she would have approved of me cooking potatoes in bacon grease, but they were so delicious. At some point while I was recording, washing the pots, my camera decided to trip into slow motion, and it just randomly started recording in slow motion, and it looks so cool, doesn't it? So I do recommend at least doing the beginning washing up of the pots outside, because there's a lot of black carbon on the pots, and you don't want to drag that into your kitchen. And I mean, it just gets everywhere, so it's good to wash this off ahead of time. And look what I found in the bucket. This guy. Okay, see you later.